Hi guys, back for another video. So hari ni saya nak review produk yang sangat best untuk korang. So hari ni kita akan review JetKidsbyStoke. Nak tahu apa benda barang ni? Nak tahu produk ni untuk apa dan benefit dia? Jom let's go. Kita unboxing now. So what's inside the JetKids are 1 mattress, 1 adjustable strap for adult and kids, 1 set of stickers and 1 manual instruction. Since Syarif is currently pretty obsessed with ABC, so he found out that the stickers are very interesting and we spend the day fill up the JetKids with stickers. For me, JetKidsbyStoke is a perfect storage for kids. It's not just a storage, it also has multiple functions including kids suitcase, an airplane bed for toddlers, and a ride-on suitcase. As for the storage, we found out it's very convenient because we managed to pack all these items inside the JetKids. Here are some stuff that we packed for our next adventure. 1 travel cube pack with travel clothes, 1 set of diapers and wipes, 1 set of medicine from ubat batuk, ubat demam and selsema, 1 water bottle, 1 blanket to keep him warm, 1 set of toiletries, 1 sweater to keep Syarif comfy inside the plane, and the mattress itself on top. Not to forget, there's another compartment on the top where we can keep items that easily to reach whenever we want. So we keep his ABC book and some toys, and we are ready for our adventure. Setting up JetKids in flight really helpful for us, especially when Syarif sleeps, and it's easy to set up too. Since Syarif has a long leg, so we just make sure to have him sleep on his side. What can we say is we really enjoy using JetKids for traveling, either in flight or train. The fact that we can pack his stuff at the same time entertain Syarif while traveling makes our family trip more memorable.